Now, when you hear people talking of demonstrations, demonstrate, when you demonstrate in a place like Kampala, people are sitting on the roadside. They are sitting on the roadside. When I pass by boys there, they have got their chairs on the roadside. Are you going to step in people's products or trample their chairs, their furniture? You are playing with fire, because we cannot allow you to disturb us. You don't ask yourself, these people who are doing all this, who don't sleep, who work all the time so that I get cheap food, I get easy things, what will they say if I try to disturb them? Do not have such ideas in your head.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.